Okay, I finally got into my room. I'm on the island of Gili Trawangan, and here is my room tour. This is lovely. After spending $14 last night, I decided to splurge and spend $171 per night. That includes breakfast and afternoon tea and pool access. So I want to show you when you are in the Indonesian islands what you can get. So this is my beautiful bed here. You can see there is a mosquito net. It's very common here. I have a robe, slippers down there, lovely little design. Okay, I have a nice flat screen TV with some extra towels and a tea kettle with little cute little things of tea and coffee. And always extra little fresh flowers, hair dryer, a little refrigerator. And there's some controls on the side of the bed. This is the first time I've ever seen this. That they're just touch control to like turn lights off or move the shades. So that's really cool. This is my view from my little balcony. I have a little seating area here. And it goes straight into the pool, which is really fabulous. Okay, I'm gonna repeat this, $171 a night. This place is phenomenal. I think there's 3 pools here. This is gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring you back inside. I'm gonna show you the bathroom. Bathrooms are typically, in Bali, are typically outside. And there's air conditioning, of course. And here we go. This is the bathroom. And there's there's an outdoor shower. There you go. And toilet and a nice little garden area. And that's the room. Like I said, this room was $171 per night, and I'm staying here 4 nights. And I get afternoon tea and breakfast included. So, awesome.